Hey guys, so this is my dinner spread for the day. I am making what people call chips mayai, but still separated. I'll make the fries and I'll do the mayai also. So for my eggs, I have some purple onion, some red bell pepper, some chili, salt, and eggs. Simple as that. This was not initially what I planned to make for dinner. Instead, this is what I had planned to make for dinner, which is butter beans. I threw in some carrot inside so that it can absorb the gas, especially because I did not have time to soak these beans for long. So I was like, okay, carrot will help with gas. So if you're ever boiling something and you're thinking it has gas, put some carrot inside. So anyways, I thought this would be ready. It's so far. So this will have to be tomorrow's meal because I'm hungry right now. Have my oil going, and then I have the eggs oil going right there. Now I also made my nails. I love the set with all the love hearts. So cute. I only cut the normal culprit and I opted not to cut the rest, especially because of the love heart. Where the love heart has been placed, sorry guys, let it focus. Yeah, where the love heart has been placed is probably where I would cut the nails off. So I decided, what, I'm keeping them long. So I'm in my long era. Now, to show you what I've done with my long nails, I went ahead and I removed all my wooden spoons. All of them, I cleaned them. I cleaned some more things, cleaned more pans right there and all that. So I'm feeling really cool, but like I said, wood, I have just realized, is just not for this house. I don't know, maybe it's this type of wood, this type, because that other type didn't have as much mold as this type. But I'm gonna take them all to my mom's house back in Nairobi. Hopefully they'll have a better time there. So I'm happy I'm done with the dishes. Dinner is almost ready, and this will be for tomorrow. So guys, for breakfast this morning, I was just not in the mood to do anything. I've had a really long night and I'm so tired. So I ordered in. Yes, you can order in in Masterbit. I have some chapati and liver. Let me plate it up and show you. I also got some samosa and sausage for like later, which I'm gonna put this in the fridge. But let me place this up so that you see what I'm having for breakfast. So guys, I also just removed the electric kettle that I bought the other day. Mind you, I didn't think I needed one, but I got this just because it was on offer. I think it was going for like 600 bob, and I was like, okay, yeah, let's try it. So I have some tea here. Let's make tea. So this is a new tea that I got. I think it's called red berries. Yeah, probably it's called red berries. Let me confirm. So that was really fast making my morning tea, but let me confirm the name of the tea I'm having. Yeah, so I'm having red berries by Kericho Gold. I got this recently when I was in Nyanyuki. You can hear the microwave in the background. I'm warming the breakfast, so let me warm that and then show you my final breakfast spread. So guys, that is my final breakfast spread. Ooh, the liver looks so good. I added chili. Can't wait to taste this and tell you how it is. And I'm having it with chapati. Ciao ciao. Hey guys, how are you? Today is Saturday. I haven't been coming on here to do much because I just haven't had the energy to do so. And I've really been trying to just get everything in order here in Marsabit before I leave for Nairobi for Christmas. I know. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of my hair. Can you just see how good it looks like, guys? Just get into it, y'all. I know this is a hairstyle I've not tried before, especially because like they twisted them together there, like two strands, and it does leave a lot of space in between. It makes it look like I don't have a lot of hair. But guys, get into that growth. Can you see? Oh my goodness. So this hair is almost 1 year old. In fact, it's December now, so I have January, February, March. I put it in March, so I have like 3 months, maybe 3 months, about 3 weeks before this hair becomes 1 year. And I had initially said that I was just gonna keep it for a year. I'm thinking I might undo and redo more dreadlocks. Probably try a different color, try a different length. I don't know. Or I was actually even thinking like maybe shorten these ones just themselves, cut them and have like a bob thing going on. But I don't like hair on my face most of the time. I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but usually even like when I have my hair down, it's usually just for filming, and sometimes I forget and I roll my hair back in a bun and I'm like, oh, I should have put my hair down for the picture. So I usually don't like my hair like on my forehead. So I don't know, we'll see. If I have short hair, short hair can't be tied, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I woke up, did some chores, and did all my laundry, started packing. Not finished. I'm about to step out and go do some things in town, and then I'll come back and finish packing. I want to show you how my pillow drying situation is going, and this time around I'm going to try as much as possible to dry everything in my house. Zero water, zero dampness. I also learned a new hack for the bed, which I'm gonna show you in a few. There are just a lot of things that I'm putting into place because I'm not risking getting mold in my freezer again, or even just like mildew and anything else, or like I just don't want that life. And I'm also going to get someone to come clean when I'm away, probably like beginning of Jan. Someone will come and clean because I'm not coming here like on the 1st of January. I'll probably be back in Nairobi, so someone will come clean my house, ensure that there's no more dust, so that I come to a clean living space. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go back inside. I'm making bajias for lunch stroke dinner stroke breakfast. It's the last meal I'm cooking, and it's the only pot that's left dirty. So I've also actually washed everything. Actually, let me just take you on a tour on my kitchen. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm not gonna do many more updates apart from the stuff that I've already said I'm gonna show you. After that, you're gonna see me maybe on transit. I might see something fascinating, you never know. And then you'll see me in Nairobi in my mama's house, and then we're gonna call it a year, guys. So hey guys, as I'm preparing to leave the house, I just wanted to show you how I'm prepping my bed. So this is baking soda that I have placed all over the mattress. This is to ensure that if by any chance I get like humidity and whatnot, it's not going to be on my mattress. I am going to now cover this with a bed sheet, and just ensure that the baking soda absorbs any extra moisture that may come into the room when I'm not around. So guys, to dry my pillows, I removed all the fluff from inside and I just laid them out here on the balcony so that they can have direct heat from the sun and that they would dry faster since I don't have much time. Today is actually Saturday. I did a check on them and they're still a bit damp, so hopefully by evening or tomorrow morning when I'm leaving, they will be dry. But the fluff just looks like clouds. I wish they were much bigger, then I could jump on them. I know, intrusive thoughts as a child. But I would love to like jump on a bouncing castle at my age. Completely for that idea. Guys, just see how green it is because of the rain. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. They're planting, I think right in front of us we have beans, and then which are actually not so grown. Then we have maize, and right there in the middle we have potatoes. Yani, this is just so pretty. Oh my goodness. Rain just makes the land look so cute.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself.
guys, so I came home and my mom got me my birthday gift so we can open it together. I have a card. I already opened the card. There it is. It says happy birthday, have a great day. The message is for me, but thank you, mommy. I really love the card. So let's see what's in the bag. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Let's see. Wow. It has another one. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna carry it today. Okay. Guys, it's so cute. So I have a small bag. Oh my, it even has a handle that I will attach to this one and this one. So I have like two. Oh my goodness. So I think I'm gonna use this like as a toiletries bag, and then I'm gonna use this as a book bag in my bag. Oh, thank you, mommy.
Your eyes, your kisses burn my skin. I feel so empty
Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So this is day one of my first day back in Nairobi. I'm at work, but I'm at a hotel. It's called the Ma Hotel. Can you see this painting behind me though? It's just so pretty. Oh my goodness. I've been thinking about deco ideas for my house, so this is giving me like ocean vibes, chill, relax, and what. Anyways, that's besides the point. So I'm at Ma Hotel and I'm going to queue in and show you how this place is just so pretty. If you're in Nairobi and you're considering to find a place like to have your guests or a place to have like your, I would say, corporate meetings, this place would be good. So let me flip the camera and show you how our training room looks like right now. And then later on, I'll get to show you the rest of the place.
empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of...
Itafaulu. Inaweza badilisha maisha yako kweli, si ndio? Okay. Sawa. Haya, kamoja tu ile strong, si ndio? One. Good.
Hi everybody. I can start now. Yeah. Could you let me know when I have like 5 minutes? Alright. Hi everyone. Hi. So I'll be doing a brief on the Syringing Foundation programs.
And right from the start, you're an obsession in my head. I can't forget your eyes, your kisses burn my skin. I feel so empty inside.
Brian Mudama. Welcome to my hotel and suites. The lunch is ready to be served.
Hi, I'm Ken Muhangi. Basically, mom, there are more expectations. The good thing is mom, friendly and social. Welcome to mom.
My name is Ben Baraza. I'm so happy to host you at my hotel. I'm hoping you're going to enjoy your food from the day you enter this place till the last time.
Thank you.
We're ready. Hi, this is Case Laviambo. I'm the business analyst in the Mastermate office. The most interesting part about my job, and I think everybody knows here, I started a YouTube channel when I moved that side. And so one of the things that no one ever believes is someone in Mastermate would know about technology and all that. So I really like that part. Aside from that, I have loved interacting with all the women in Mastermate and having to come to class where there are children in class and you're teaching and playing and all that. So I really, really enjoyed that experience a lot. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.